Hello students, come to our class English. Okay, I am going to teach you the second part of the lesson, the treasure within. I have already completed the first part, the treasure within. Okay, so what I told children, what is the meaning of the treasure? The valuable things. We can tell the valuable things or valuable thoughts or valuable feelings within. Okay, the valuable feelings or thoughts within. So first part we have completed. Who are the characters, children? The two characters are there, Miss Bela Raja and the second one is the Hafiz contractor. Okay, both of them are. A interview is going on and they are talking to each other in the interview, children. So we have completed the life history of the Hafiz contractor. Now the second part, what is consist of in the second part, let us see here. Now if you take the page number 73, children, also take the page number 73. Here what is given here? Here continuation of the interview between Miss Bela Raja and Hafiz contractor. Now Hafiz stumbled on architecture because he knew little French and less German. Stumbled means he got one chance. Okay, he by chance. Okay, by chance there is one meaning, children. Stumbled on is nothing but to got into by chance. By chance he went into the architecture. Where did he go? He went into the architecture because he knew little French and less German. Okay, he knows only what, children? He knows only little French and little German. He was offbeat even in the pranks that he played. Whatever the jokes he made, no, or pranks he played, no, he was offbeaten. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. Okay, when he found his calling, that means some future is calling to him, children. Some future is calling means he did not go or he did not look that side. Next, Bela Raja. What Bela Raja is telling him? How did you get into the field of architecture? Architecture means what, children? Artist, the person who paints, who make the design, who can draw the nature very beautifully, or nature in the sense animals, plants, buildings, whatever it may be, children. So who will paint? They are the architectures. So he is asking, how did you got into the field of architecture? Hafiz controller is telling, what is telling? In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. That means in the college of architecture, how they are giving the admission, children? Nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed. I had only 50%. That means what it consists of? What the line is telling here? Nobody who got nobody who got below means more than 80. Okay, was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. I wanted to join the army. At that time, what happened, children? He got only the less percentage. Who got above 80 to 85, they will be allowed into the architecture. But he got only 50% of marks. Okay. Now, I wanted to join the army. His ambition, what, children? He wanted to join the army. I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. Okay, what was his ambition first? He wanted to join the army first. When the admission letter came to his house, his aunt, what she has done? She has torn the letter only. Then Hafiz controller decided to join the police force. My mother said, don't join the police force, just to do your graduation. And the mother told that no need of joining the police force, you can just complete your graduation. Graduation means nowadays for what we are calling the graduation, children? For PG, post graduation, or BSc graduation. Degree you will tell, no, degree or PG like that. So that graduation his mother told him to complete. So I went to jail. Where? So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. Where did he go, children? He went to the Jai Hind College in Bombay. Turn the page, children. If you turn the page, there I was to take either French or German. Wherever he went, no, Which college did he join? Where did he go, children? He went to the Jai Hind College in Bombay. He went to the Bombay and joined in the Jai Hind College. But what happened there? I was to take either French or German. Only both languages he used to take. Though I had studied French for seven years. Already he has studied French for how many years, children? He had studied French for 7 years. I did not know 7 words of French. Means he had studied, but he did not know the 7 words. Means that nothing he is unable to speak the French language. So I took German. What he has done? He took German. Then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. Okay, when he went for the studies, what happened after taking the admission? Only for few days he studied the German. Then afterwards, what happened, children? The German teacher has expired. So the college told me, the college students or college people told that what they told that I could change the college. If you should have to change the college or you should have to take a French. Now, who would give me admission in another college? Who will give the admission in the other college? From the middle onwards, he cannot go. No. Who will give the admission in another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. Okay, I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. So I thought, okay, I will take French, and I started learning French again. Lastly, again, what he has done? He rejected for the German and he has taken for the French again. Why he has taken? Why? Because no one will give the admission in the German. That's why he has taken the French again. I learned it from my cousin. From where he has learned the French language? He learned French from his cousin. She was an architect's wife. Who is she? She is an architect's wife. Means her husband was an architecture. I was going to the architect's office to learn French. Okay. At that time, what happened? He is going to the architect's office to learn French. Now, B.R. Bela Raja, what he is telling? Was it then that you decided you want to do architect? Was it that this is the reason? What he is telling? Bela Raja is telling this is the reason that you wanted to do the architecture. HC, Hafiz Control is telling. Actually, it all happened quite by chance. Okay, I planned for something and I became something here. How it happened? It happened quietly by chance. By chance only it had happened. Now, in the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window details. Okay, window details. In an architect office, he saw that somebody drawing the windows detail. A window detail is very advanced drawing. A window detail drawing was very advanced. Advanced means it is a good drawing. I told him that his drawing was wrong. See, he is pointing to the mistake. Whose mistake? The painter, the architect who is drawing in the office. So he pointed the mistake of his drawing, and he is telling it was wrong drawing. That the window he had drawn would not open. Whatever the window you have drawn in the picture, no, that is unable to open. Then what happened? He then had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. What he has done? The person who is drawing, he kept the bet with this Hafiz controller, and both of them kept the bet. And who won the bet here? The Hafiz controller has won the bet, and he drew the open door, and he proved that the person who drawn the unopened door was a wrong person. My cousin's husband was surprised. My cousin's husband was very surprised by seeing the architect. He asked me to draw a few specific things which I immediately did. Okay. After appreciation, he was very surprised by seeing the picture, my children. So what had happened? Lastly, what he has done? He asked him to draw few specific things which he immediately did, children. He asked me to design a house, and I designed a house. Lastly, what he has done? He told him to design the house. Okay, he told him to design the house, and he decided to design the house, children. After that, he told me to draw everything and join architecture. And whatever the things you have learned till now, French or German or whatever it may be, you want to go to the police force, in the army, leave whatever your ambitions, you just to join in the architecture. Who told these words? Who told? The cousin's husband told him to join the architecture. When we went to meet the principal of the college, the cousin's husband and Hafiz controller went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me. What is warning? I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. Okay, so he went to take the permission from the whom? From the principal who is studying in the college. Okay, he went near to the principal and for taking the permission of the principal, and the principal warned him that if I will make you to write the entrance exam when you will do your best. Okay, then only I will make you to allow you to join in the college. Okay. Next, I got an A+ in the entrance exam. How much grade he got, children? He got A+ in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cakewalk. Children. I had never made a plan. From that day onwards, I did not make any plan. It was my day. From that day, it was a cake walk, children. Cake, how? If you walk on the cake, how it looks? No difficulties in life. Yes or no? No difficulties in touching the cake. So like that, he is comparing his life with the cake walk. I had never made a plan. He did not make any plan. Okay, to join in the architect. But I knew how something looked like from the top. He is telling that if we are being on the top of the surroundings, how the things will look, it looks very different, children. Like that only he is comparing. I had never known that a section was. I had never known that what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan, what it would look like. Okay, but I knew if you cut a plan, what it would look like. Whatever he made a plan to become the architect, children. So if he forget to do that one, and he is telling that it will be very difficult to look like. Okay, I stood first in class, first throughout after that. Okay, I stood first means he became the topper of the class, and this first rank is maintained till the end, children. I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. Okay, I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during schools. I had a friend called Behram Divecha. Okay, I had a friend called Behram Divecha. We used to have competition between us for designing forts. Designing the forts is nothing but killa in the killa. So they are the forts. Okay, they are very competitive in drawing the forts. Guns and ammunition. Ammunition. If you see in the meaning, children, ammunition is supply of bullets. A shell will be, children. In that shell, a bullet is kept. If we shoot the gun, the bullet moves off from that shell. That is the ammunition. Next, each of us would design something in an effect to be different. In school, when I was in the second or third standard. Okay, in school when I was in the second or third standard. When he was in second, third standard, one of my teachers, who is that one of the teacher, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketch and told me, see, you are useless in everything else, but your sketch are good. Okay, his teacher, what is her name? Mrs. Gupta is her teacher. In the second and third standard, what is happened when situation was occurred? What is that situation means, children? Here, what is happened? Her teacher told that you are useless, one of the useless in the class, but your sketch was very good. When you grow up, you will become an architect. She told that When you grow up, you will become the architect. That talks of that whatever the teacher spoke, that words have remembered by this person. I did not know at that time, but she was right. And I don't know what she has told. No, at that time I was don't know, but I am recollecting her words now, and she was right now. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and told her. Okay, and I went near to her and told her about my life. Whatever you told, no teacher, when I was in the second and third standard, that I came to prove you that. I came to tell you that I have proved that I became an architect in my life. Okay. Next, B.R. Bela Raja again he is telling what he is just asking the question. He is giving one question only, and the remaining part of the answer is told by the Hafiz controller. Okay, children. Listen carefully. Why do you think you did not like studies? Why do you think that? See, this much sharp you are a very talented person. Then why you think that the studies will not like you, or you will not like for the studies? Was it because you felt you could not cope, could not deal with the curriculum? Okay. Next, children. Hafiz controller giving response. I was very bad at languages. Okay, I was very bad at the languages. We have no languages in the school, children. Hindi language, Telugu language, English language. Okay, so he was very bad. Science and geography I could not deal with. Okay, he could not deal. He is unable to deal with the science and geography. Maths was very bad. Okay, maths was very bad. I just was not interested. I was studying for the sake of studying. Okay, I am just studying like studying only. Okay, I am studying like studying only. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. Okay, whatever the teachers are teaching today, I used to forget within 2 days only. I would not bother because there was no application of mind there to begin with. I would not bother because while he was not bothering, there was no application of mind to begin with. Next, Bela Raja. Did you think that what they taught in school was boring, or did you feel that once you understood the concept of what was being taught to, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson? Okay, did you understand, children? Very easy sentence, very easy to understand these sentences, children. Next, Hafiz Raja is telling, Hafiz controller is telling, living in a boarding school is difficult. Living in a boarding school means the school which takes a lot of money and gives the good education, children. So it is very difficult to living in a boarding school. We were just living from day to day. Nowadays there are so many tests. So many tests are going on. Back then, whenever we had tests, we used to just copy. When we had a test, we used to just copy. The teacher thought that we had done our homework. When we have done copied from the in the examination, the teacher used to think that we had done copy. Next, BR, Dr. Bela Raja, Miss Bela Raja here. There is a contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? That means Bela Raja is telling that this is a disagreement. Disagreement is nothing but see, children, here. Meaning is given contention. Contention, yes, sir. Angry disagreement between people. Okay, there is a disagreement that giftedness and learning disability go hard in life. Do you think this applies to you? Next, well, Hafiz controller. Well, take some student from my class. Okay, well, take some student from my class. Those who always stood first or second are today doing very ordinary jobs. Okay, take our class students only. Who are those students who came first and second in their class? They were doing ordinary jobs. Miss Bela Raja. I have come across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinarily today. Next, Hafiz control. In school, I think leaving our lives They made us street smart. I have learned more by doing. How he learned, children? He learned more by doing. What I did on my own than what academy would have taught me. Whatever the academy is nothing but studies, children. Whatever the study has taught me, more than that I have learned, he is telling. Next, Bela Raja. This is because the personality and the skills they were there. Okay, this is only possible when you have the good personality and the skills. You were able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with, and you defied every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. Defied means what, children? Defied, F-I-E-D. Defied means broke, and you broke every rule so that when you break all the rules, when you want to do something means so you do not listen to anyone and you will do whatever you want. Okay. Hafiz control. I was more interested in other things. I was just more interested in other things. If, for example, why in class I started raining outside. It started raining outside, children. It started raining outside. I would think of the flowers, what and how to build a dam to block it. Okay, I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for the day. Okay, what he used to do, children? He used to, when the rain is falling down, he used to construct a dam. Okay, construct a dam where the flowers are flowing, where the water is flowing. Okay, and he used to think about the flow of water within the dam and how much the water can store the water. So he kept the interest in these things only. When students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me and I would cut a button for them from chalk using a blade, children. Okay, next, discipline in the school was very important and no student could afford to have a button missing. Okay, discipline is very important in the school, so no student could afford to have a button missing. That means no student has missed their button from the shirt. This student would get past dinner with a neat uniform, and after that it did not matter. Next, children, BR means Bela Raja. Coming to the present, what is happening here? Coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give a client? Okay, come to the present. That means the interview is going on now, children. Now come to the present. The interview is going on. In the interview, this many talks they have discussed. Okay, this many matters they have discussed. Now come to the present. How do you decide as to what kind of a structure you want to give a client? When a client comes for the job, you are taking the interview, no? So how you structure the what kind of structure you give for him? Okay. Hafiz control. I look at the client's face. First of all, what he will do? He will look at the client's face, his clothes, the way he walks and pronounces, the way he eats, and I would know what his taste would be like. I can relate to people I can relate to the people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously on a paper on the spot. That paper I give to my people in the office. Okay, what is telling? How you will make the structure of the client is telling, and Hafiz control is telling that I look, first of all I will look at the face, then afterwards his cloth and the way of talking and his pronunciation and the way of eating, and by the way of eating I will judge his taste. Okay, next, I can relate the people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously. Spontaneously means without planning. I sketch without planning. I will sketch the paper on the spot. The paper I give to my people in the office. Next, BR. Did you do it instinctively? That means in one tendency or ability. Okay. Instinctively, given children meaning? Yes, instinctively, naturally, naturally. Did you do it naturally? They are asking. Did you do it naturally? Next, call it instant. Call it okay. Call it instant. Call it ultimate. Whatever. Now I come to me. Now it comes to me like mathematics. Putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. That means how you judge. Okay, did you do it naturally? Okay, how you judge the client? He is asking the question. Did you do naturally or what? I will first of all what is telling. Hafiz Control is telling that call it instinct. Call it instinct. Call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. Here, let us see last paragraph children. Here we almost come to a full circle where Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated to a subject he now loves dealing with. That means whichever the subject he hated in the past, now he is going to love it. So this is the lesson children. What is the lesson here? The lesson is the treasure within. This is the part 2 what I have completed in this class children. Okay, so listen once again read the lesson properly and you will be able to understand the lesson. Okay children, we will meet you in the next class with another topic.